wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut a selector boy.
What's good, Dan Mafia gang? We back in this music lab, man, and we back with another banger today. Yo, guys, today see what we did. They are with, you know, we're there with that epic link up, you know. Two artists that's no stranger to the channel. You already know who I'm talking about. We're there with the 6 them, and we're there with the 6 boss. You see me? And we're there with yo. They don't even need any instruction. We're there with the 6 boss himself, man. The leader at the 6. Who we are talking about? We're talking about none other than Squash. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, dog. We're there with Squash Dan himself, man. You see me? And dog, they are with artists that we also like to react to a lot on this channel. We're talking about Kman 6ixx. You see me? They just dropped this about a couple minutes ago entitled Fully 6. I'm gonna check it out and see what dog man deal with. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, we're gonna deal with it. But you know, we're not gonna look the vibes. I think I want to shout out who reacted. Big Dread actually requested this like a couple days ago, say it's coming out and need to react. So shout out to Big Dread. Big up yourself, man, every time. G. Yeah, man, I wanna go look the vibes, guys. We're gonna check out the video and then we're gonna jump in. We're gonna check out the video and then we're gonna talk about the track afterwards. You see me? We're gonna switch up a bit. Just do the right thing, guys. Code up, you know, code the life, hit the like and subscribe button. But let's get it. This is Squash and Kman 6ixx, Fully 6. Let's get it.
West Bank, headshot. Killer them a press blank. Not
Easy, you know?
Kman.
Don't be them anywhere we go, boy.
Yo, Squash, man. In the air, some boy a plan. Oh, them one kills.
Yeah, man, me expect this will be epic, man. You see me? Squash and Kman 6 on the same track, dog. And then Fully 6, bro. I want to you, man. Let's get it, bro. Man say, yo, alright.
6 times.
Pussy I feel dead. For me bossy 16. Drake on the Lego big breeze. Head a hook me in a 10 piece. Bulla man coulda never test. We kill boy wicked and neat. Wicked and neat when the pussy gon' sleep.
Boy, after dead says speak, wicked Jacob, blood with wicked breed. Hey, easy yourself now. Tell us I'll be a bad man things I got up on the track here now. It's Squash and Kman 6. Let's get it.
Wicked and neat when the pussy gon' sleep. Shot him in a face, blood run pan sheet. Don't this ties, so we gon' go. Beat 6.
More glad this I knew 6 and 10 dog. You man say you kill him when he gone sleep. Boss in his face. Blood a run pan sheet. I want to know my youth. No mercy, brother. Come on.
Them afraid no fuck. Make duppy when the big AK lift up. Shot by face, platter boy Kernium. Squash man, yo killer. Believe me now. We're gonna yam them food like we need in a air on the bike. Head side shot wailing. Tint up on mark with chase and night.
Man said them afraid your fuck dog. If you kill up with big will AK lift up. I want to you, brother. Come on,
them
man.
no wow with we brother. Hey, them no 6 and talk on the men's we march. Never ask question in there with dog. Me we shot a man now. Better keep your thoughts left by the pan ground. If you scrape it off, them pussy I feel dead.
For me bossy.
Man say yo, shut a man now. Better keep your thoughts left body pan chrome for scrape it off. I want to you, man. Yo,
16. Drake on the Lego big breeze. Head a hook me in a 10 piece. Bulla man coulda never test.
Man say box is 16. Draco a Lego big breeze. Boss it in the head 10 piece. Come on, bro. Come on.
Me kill boy wicked and neat. Wicked and neat when the pussy gon' sleep. Shot him in a face, blood run pan sheet. Don't this man to be gun.
We have gun pan gun. Face shot now stop till me jump and done. Go for them and them friend. Me no left no one. One word.
Dog down this man kill boy neat in a man. Blood not shot in a face, blood run pan sheet. You see me do this Kman my gun beat with a
me kill and me head open. You better know where got the best focal. Why start up we been waiting so long. One by one, every one of them 7 pussy will lie down. We don't like run, facts make him in the J-Core roll like jump.
6.
When I knew 6 and 10 man, I'm to you man, this boy man saying Jacob roll like a drum run. Jacob be like drum run at this boy.
6.
Yeah, that.
Easy now, man. Oh, come on. Yeah, man. 6ixx Boss and Kman 6ixx. Come on, man. Real dope track, bro. That was an epic link up, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one, man. Yeah, man, gang. Me know say, yo, squash. You know, the 6ixx Boss, you know, we don't know say squash. You don't know running 6 in a yard and apparently the one over Trinidad and thing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this is an epic link up, man. You see me? It's like it's not that it's unexpected, but it's like out of the blue. You know what I'm saying? With all the thing that's surrounding squash and thing, we need to look for a release like this at this point. But yeah, man, shout out to West Bank again. West Bank Records are doing great job over there. You know, they're doing great music and great work. Everybody collabing and thing. Yeah, they're doing great job over there. So shout out to West Bank. Yeah, man, and squash. Yeah, I'm gonna see squash drop tune again, even when if just a collab. You know, I came on 6 tune on West Bank, but. You know, I just got to see it works out with Squash. Squash are doing thing, you know what I'm saying? Because Squash are bad artist now, bro. Squash are one of the best artists. I don't know them man and shows and thing, you know, man. You know what I'm saying? Them man trying to run stage show and a tour and them thing there. You see me what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's a dope track, man. Kman 6ixx, I don't know, we love listening to Kman 6ixx over here. Kman 6ixx got a great vibe, bro. You know what I'm saying? When you dip on a track, you don't know, say, yo, be a badness, be a madness. You know what I'm saying? The man flow is just so crazy. You know what I'm saying? The man so smooth on the track. And the man, and a bad man say, you can't really talk to the man, dog. I'll be a bad thing. You see me? The man can't sing to the girl and sing some bad tune. So, yeah, man. Kman 6ixx, very versatile artist. You see me? And, you know, and very creative. I don't think there's any type of tune that Kman 6ixx can't really do. But, yeah, man, definitely like him flow and definitely like him style. I'm sharp. Big up to Kman 6ixx and big up to Squash for this track. Yeah, man, that man for family, let me know anything in the comment section. Drop your favorite part. You already know. Remember to join the Discord. Link in the description. Join the Discord. We're little over there. We're chopping it up. So join in the Discord. And let's get active. We talk about all this over there. You know what I'm saying? And you can be able to drop requests, live, content planning, all that stuff, man. I'm be looking for moderators, all that. So make sure you're part of the Discord so you'll be a part of all the giveaways and prizes to come. Yeah, man, like I said, real dope track from Squash and Kman 6ixx, fully 6. I don't know, go show the artist them some love and support. Till next time, I don't know my boy Jambisco back with a banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.